Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we talk about all things making great content, making great videos, and mastering our finances. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you work with celebrities or high-profile talent on a video shoot. So more than likely in your content creation journey, you're going to run across an opportunity to work with a celebrity or somebody who's really high profile, who's known in the public eye. Me and my team at District Film have been super fortunate to work with a bunch of high-profile people, whether it be artists, athletes, politicians, you name it. So as you continue to get more opportunities creating content for people, you're gonna run across this more than likely at some point. So I've got 3 quick tips for working with high profile or celebrity clients to make sure that you don't make a fool of yourself on set and make sure that the shoot goes off really well. Number 1 is really simple, and you should do this for all shoots, but be on time. But especially for a high profile client, build in extra time, an extra 30 minutes or an hour before you would even normally get somewhere. In our experience working with high profile clients or celebrities, their schedule can either be extremely tight, like you have them for exactly 30 minutes, or sometimes it can be wildly unpredictable based on who it is, and you need to be prepared. For example, some of the B-roll that you're seeing when we shot with Bijan Robinson, who is the running back for the Atlanta Falcons, he was 35 minutes early, and he and his whole team just showed up. Now, granted, Bijan is wonderful to work with. He's a great person. But thankfully, we got to the shoot way early to where we were already ready to roll, even though he got there 35 minutes early. We've also had the opposite. We've had a politician show up an hour and a half late. So obviously, we had to wait around a long time. But what I've found in working with high profile and celebrity clients is they're either extremely scheduled and they have to be out at exactly a certain time, or it is wildly unpredictable. They could be way early, they could be way late. So you need to be prepared. Build in extra time before and after what you think your allotted shoot time is. So for number 2, if you're getting the opportunity to work with a high profile person or celebrity, you probably have a pretty good track record working with people or the client that's bringing that person in. But make sure when that client comes in or that high profile or celebrity person comes in, treat them like a regular person. Treat them like a regular person and just be yourself. I promise they're going to appreciate if you don't act weird or funny around them, and just treat them like a normal person and go about the shoot and just do your job well. I mentioned working with Bijan because he was just a great guy to work with, even being funny on a couple of shoots, doing something silly for a take. But if we hadn't have just rolled with it like he was a normal guy, yeah, he's a professional football player. Yes, he makes lots of money, yada, yada, yada. But because we treated him just like a normal person, we were totally ourselves. Our crew was just totally comfortable with him. That allowed him to just open up and just be himself and be kind of funny, be kind of silly for a couple of the shots. That made the video really great. Number 3 is don't ask for stuff and be professional. Do your job well and efficiently. They will appreciate it. Trust me, if they're going to give you something, an autograph or something like that, let them be the one to offer it. Don't ask for it. This is also not the time to pitch your investment idea. I've heard several horror stories of people trying to pull a celebrity or the high profile talent aside during a shoot, talk to them about something they're doing, and just don't do it. It's totally not worth it. Just be professional, be yourself, and have a great shoot. Thanks for watching, guys. The best of luck to you and your content creation journey and all the stuff that you're going to make. If you like this video, please subscribe, drop a like, and we'll see you in the next video.